I'm sure you're just as curious as I am about how those ready meals we pick up at the store are made in factories. Yes, these massive factories buzz with nonstop energy, churning out thousands of meals in mere minutes. It all kicks off with pots filled with just the right amount of top-notch rice. As the water gets added, the pots are sealed up tight, letting the rice soak up the moisture and settle perfectly. Once it's time for cooking, the machines gently but firmly hold those pots and turn them upside down to drain the water using sieves. Now fresh water is being added into the pots to cook the rice to the perfect temperature and consistency. A robotic arm snaps the steamer's lid into place, and then the steam cookers roll out, getting seals attached to each pot as they go. Precise temperatures keep things from going wrong, avoiding any overcooking or undercooking. When the rice is perfectly cooked, robotic arms step in again. They carefully transfer the pots onto rolling iron rods that guide them along the conveyor belt. It's all automated, no human hands involved in the cooking process. Pretty cool, right? The rice is now ready to pour into the trays. But first, let's fill the hopper. After rice, crispy chicken pieces are added into the trays to complete the meal box, followed by rich sauces. And it's not just one sort of meal being prepped. You'll see trays filled with irresistible gravy meals as well. Before sealing, these trays go through a freezing tunnel to keep everything fresh, flavorful, and preserved until they hit the store shelves. As the trays glide along the conveyor belt to the sealing station, hygiene is the top priority. This sealing station is spotless, with super strict cleaning routines to keep every seal perfect and contaminant-free. Now the meal trays are sealed tight and ready for labeling. Here they get tagged with all the key details: brand name, ingredients, and expiry dates. Once everything is packed to perfection, the last stop ensures each box is securely sealed and ready to roll out. Fitness enthusiasts, get ready. Let's see how your daily salad trays are made. Fresh green veggies are added generously, keeping everything perfectly separated. Then come the tender grilled meat slices, adding some serious flavor. And of course, healthy trays can't skip eggs. They're added too. Next up, spaghetti trays. Machines portion spaghetti into trays with perfect quantity. Then they cruise down to the sauce station, where a rich tomato-based sauce is drizzled generously over each tray. Now let's head over to something crispy: banana chips. Check out how workers sort bananas to make sure only the best make the cut. When bananas roll in on conveyor belts, they are peeled efficiently without damaging that delicate part. And why green bananas? Because unripe ones have firmer texture and less sugar, making for that perfect crunch. These bananas are then sliced into thin, even pieces using high-tech slicing machines. After a quick wash, slices are checked for the perfect thickness. Next up, they go into hot oil, making them crunchy and delicious. Workers wear gloves and masks to ensure everything stays safe and hygienic. The chips hit another belt to drain excess oil and dry out. Once dried, they get seasoned with their signature flavors. Any overcooked chips are sorted out. Only the best make it through. Finally, a high-tech machine portions out chips evenly into each pack. But what's a hearty meal without a sweet treat to wrap it all up? Let's see how those rich chocolate coconut bars are made. First, secret ingredients like sugar, coconut, and butter are mixed in massive blenders to create that thick, delicious base. Once ready, the mixture is sliced into perfect pieces using precision blades. Then comes the best part. They take a dip in a flowing chocolate waterfall. After the dip, they glide through a drying tunnel. Cool air sets the chocolate, creating that crispy shell. Temperature is carefully maintained to avoid melting or uneven coating. Once spot on, bars are sealed and boxed, ready to bring sweet satisfaction. Now for something chill: ice cream. Ever wondered how it gets from farm to freezer? Let's find out. It all starts with cows, cared for using advanced technology. Once milked, it's sent directly to facilities where it's pasteurized and tested. Then it moves to mixing chambers, where cream, sugar, and stabilizers are added and blended in large tanks. The mixture is whisked at cold temperatures to get that fluffy, creamy texture. Now ready, it's sent to depositors. Blades slice through to create perfect portions. Robotic arms then slide sticks into each portion, turning them into handheld delights. Now it's time for the chocolate bath, a velvety dip that gives each ice cream that glossy coating we love. Next, they go through cooling tunnels to set the coating perfectly. Again, temperature control is critical here for perfect texture and shape. Now let's talk cones, the timeless ice cream treat. A cool blast sets the creamy goodness in the cones just right. Robotic arms handle the cones gently, prepping them for secure packaging. They're then packed into huge cartons, all ready to ship out. Want to level up? Let's see how ice cream sandwiches are made. Machines slice the ice cream into thick slabs and sandwich them between biscuits. No humans needed. These robotic systems ensure each sandwich is uniform, perfect, and quick to produce. Meanwhile, bigger buckets of ice cream are also being filled. Automated systems handle pouring, shaping, and even packing into beautiful wraps. Modern ice cream factories are truly tech wonders, handling bulk work while maintaining quality and consistency. Nozzles pour creamy ice cream into molds with precision. Sticks slide in smoothly, turning them into another handheld masterpiece. Check out those robotic arms dipping bars halfway into dreamy chocolate. The wrappers get aligned and ready as bars are packed at lightning speed. Vanilla bars, always a hit. Smooth, rich, and just the right touch of vanilla. Whether you're relaxing with friends or craving a snack, these bars are the go-to treat. And now, waffle ice cream sandwiches. If you've tried them, you know how irresistible they are. And if not, you're in for a treat. Waffle ice cream sandwiches are mouth-watering masterpieces, soft, crunchy, and packed with flavor. And the way they're made, absolutely genius. From delicious meals to sweet desserts, modern food factories are a magical blend of tech, precision, and pure joy, all to make your store-bought favorites possible.
Share your thoughts in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes food stories.